Did you know that the human mind is capable of unimaginable cruelty? One of the darkest aspects of our psyche is the phenomenon of Schadenfreude. Schadenfreude is the pleasure we derive from the misfortune of others. It lurks in the shadows of our consciousness, often hidden beneath a veneer of empathy and compassion. Psychologists believe that Schadenfreude can stem from feelings of jealousy, rivalry, or even a desire for justice. But in its darkest form, it reveals a side of us that enjoys the suffering of others, just because it makes us feel superior or more fortunate. Next time you find yourself secretly happy about someone else's pain, remember this: the line between empathy and cruelty is thinner than we like to admit.